Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a love read for you now. Scorpio, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin your reading, Scorpio, and let's see how you're doing, how your person is doing, and what action can we expect now in your love life. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So, Scorpio, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the love and support that you've been sending to the channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you. And Scorpio, of course, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Scorpio, as usual, I will be putting down two sets of cards here. One side is for your person, one side is for you, and if this is your story, you'll know which side you're on. For me, I'm going to be reading this side as person A, this side as person B. And I have my action cards here, one for you and one for your person. Let's see now, by what of my deck I do have the Queen of Swords in reverse. Scorpio, this is somebody who has lost trust in a connection or their partner, who is not very happy with the way things are, or maybe they are angry or upset or no longer wanting to have anything to do with this partnership. Why that is, let's figure out. Okay, if you're looking for a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So for person A, from the overall energy that I get right now, I think 1 second. Scorpio, this could have been a long-term partnership, could have been a family dynamic, or maybe somebody wanted that, but something has really taken a wrong turn here. Maybe things were headed towards, or somebody was hoping that something would head towards having a happily ever after, or a family dynamic, or a marriage, or a long-term partnership, but things have really, they feel, taken a backward turn here. Whereas the other person feels, hey, this was a very imbalanced connection. I never felt, there was any equal give and take or balance or peace in this connection, and I don't even want to fight for it anymore. So why that is, we'll go on to the rest of the cards, of course. I'll clarify all of them. Excuse me, sorry. Let's start with some dialogue message cards here. So Scorpio and their person, Spirit, if they could say something to each other. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person, if they could say something to each other now. One more. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few more from here, which are the True Confession cards, Scorpio. Scorpio and their person, Spirit. All right, good to go, Scorpio. Let's begin your reading. So the first card I have here in my hand here says, I wish you would tell me how you really feel so I don't have to get readings on you. So somebody, I think, was really hoping that this connection would solidify and maybe go on to the long term or whatever. But now they're realizing that it's not moving. In fact, it's going backwards. And they're saying, I wish you would tell me how you really feel, because I'm playing a guessing game here. I imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. Somebody is realizing the games they've played. Maybe they've behaved immaturely, or they've been a player in the past, and maybe they've lost or dethroned an empress here. And this acknowledging that, yes, I imagine the type of person you'd actually like to be with. And I'm also understanding that person is nothing like me. When I thought about how bad I hurt you, I literally cried. Yeah, somebody does feel very restless now. They feel, they feel their partner releasing the toxicity in this connection, or them, or something like that, because they feel they are realizing that when I thought of how badly I hurt you, I literally cried. Secretly doing things behind your back. Maybe that's what came to fore here, Scorpio. Somebody may have been a player, somebody may have been doing things which were not right for a connection, and dethroned an empress here, made her feel undervalued or not respected. I keep reading our old text messages. So, living in the past, I have other things on my mind other than you. Maybe somebody's given up the connection now and saying, hey, I'm not fighting for this connection anymore. I'm doing other things. I'm not even interested in anything long term with you. I act like I don't care, but deep down it affects me more than you'll ever know. Maybe the fact that this relationship is not coming together, now this player is understanding what they've done, and they may still pretend, hey, I don't care or whatever, but actually inside them, they can't sleep. They're very, very restless. I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love. It felt suffocating sometimes. Maybe that's how person B always felt in the connection. They always felt there was this obsessiveness, this toxicity, this devilish energy. Empress said, if you don't respect me, then how do I know I feel loved? I just feel you're obsessed with keeping me, or keeping me in a marriage or a long-term partnership while you go off and do your own thing. That's not love. So, if this resonates with your story, Scorpio, I'm going to start clarifying these cards, and I'm going to start with person A's energy. Forget about B for the time being. Let's see how person A is doing. This could be you, Scorpio. This could be your person. And then we'll move on to person B. Before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card and see how my angels are going to bless you with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Scorpio. Blessings of abundance. Beautiful card. Scorpio, I think this blessings of abundance is for this Empress, I think, who is now no longer fighting for a connection which has been toxic. And they're putting an end to fighting for something which they've never felt respected in. I think somebody is taking back control of their life now and turning into the Empress upright, which means fertility, growth, and abundance. All right, so, sorry. Okay, so I am going to now start with person A's energy. Did I show this card upside down, Scorpio? I'm so sorry. Half the time my eyes are closed when I'm channeling or speaking. I pick up a card and I close my eyes and I just speak. So this is your card, okay? Blessings of abundance. All right. Okay, so let's see. Let's start with person A. 10 of Pentacles and the 6 of Swords. Why is that here, Spirit, for person A? 10 of Pentacles and the 6 of Swords. Why are they feeling this way? One more. See, I told you. Here comes the Empress again. Oh my God, this is so clear. Now, this is what they wanted, right? This is what they wanted, but they've realized that things have taken a totally backward turn now, and they are not being offered. They're not being offered this 10 of Pentacles anymore, even though person A really, really wanted to head towards something more stable with this Empress. Now they're seeing the value of that person. They're seeing that, hey, the Empress that I always had, who I disrespected, is the person who I can actually grow with or move with, who is abundance in herself. But now they are not sure, because the 10 of Pentacles may not be even offered now, because I think person B stopped fighting for it. Okay. So, what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for the situation to go backwards here? Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands is again a character who is very immature, who plays around, who never takes things seriously, always plays mind games, it's always my way or the highway, always maybe making this Empress feel small, not, respected. And this is like a person who's stealing other people's swords just to feel happy and say, ha ha ha, see, I've got all your swords, I'm better and bigger than you. But they were actually dethroning an empress, and you don't do that. Scorpio, whoever this person is, really played a very silly, childish game here. And that's now led to the breakup of a soulmate connection. Now, some bad memories have been created in this connection, Scorpio. So, the Empress in reverse, Spirit, what happened in the recent past for her to be upside down now? Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. Yeah, somebody definitely wants a second chance now, but they feel it won't be given. Justice upside down now, right? So because they didn't do the right thing by the Empress, now they are fearing that things will never get balanced again. Even though I think whoever this player is, or this immature energy is, definitely wants another chance. They want to fight one more time to regain or get back with their Empress. But this Empress is, I think, refusing. So how does person A now feel, Spirit, about this connection or with person B? A, they're very restless now. They're almost depressed, I would say, and having lost a chance with their Empress. Six of Swords in reverse. Six of Swords in reverse, Spirit. How do they see the connection now or feel about this person B? Four of Swords in reverse. Yes, they feel this is the end. I'll never get another chance again. This person is going through a lot of depression, sadness, because they know that they have killed a beautiful connection. The Devil in reverse. The Devil in reverse. Yes, total death, total end. They feel that the person B, has now kind of released them or the connection because there was too much toxicity in it. There was too much disrespect, fighting and bad behavior which happened in this connection, and they feel this coming to an end. Am I right, Spirit? What else? How do they feel about this connection or person B now? Oh, they would like to turn it around. They're looking for this transformation, and they are wondering if there is any possibility that we can just leave behind the toxicity and save this connection. They still feel this connection. Whoever this immature person was, they've realized the worth of this Empress now. They are realizing that this is my person who I should have been, could have been, maybe was, but never took seriously. And they're recognizing person B to be their soulmate, and they're wondering if I can bring some kind of union or a Ten of Pentacles situation back here, maybe transform the past and have a re-beginning and drop anything that was bad between us or whatever bad they've done towards this Empress. May or may not be accepted. I'm not sure. We'll go on to the other side and see how they're feeling. What action person A will take now, we'll open later. Let's go on to person B. Person B feels Temperance in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why does person B feel regarding this connection, the Temperance in reverse? They've made a decision maybe to... They feel this relationship was very imbalanced. And I think they've already made some kind of a choice, made some kind of a decision to move towards new love. They don't want to fight for this connection anymore. What's this Page of Cups, Spirit? Page of Cups. Okay, they're curious, I think, to see what else is out there. They also suspect that their partner is always kind of watching them or keeping an eye on them, maybe trying to offer small apologies in their own way. But I think person A has become too strong now. They see through all their games now. They understand what person A is actually trying to do. They see through, you know, their efforts to make things right or apologize, but they also know that person A is keeping a strong watch on them all the time. But it's not really bothering person B anymore, because I think they've regained their strength now. They're not afraid, they're not scared. They may just have made a decision now to move towards new love and no longer fight for this connection or go back here. 6 of Wands in reverse. 5 of Wands. 5 of Wands in reverse. 5 of Wands in reverse. 5 of Wands in reverse. Yes, they're looking for a balanced relationship. They're looking out maybe to interact with new people here. That's a, normally somebody would see this card and say, oh, they're looking for an apology or something. No, I don't feel that. I think they've made a decision that, I want a balanced relationship. I don't want to fight for something that has hurt me in the past. And maybe they're going towards maybe working on themselves or trying to find balance in their own life through their work or meeting new people. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to have made such a strong decision for their life? Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Something ended here. Something really, really stagnated in the past because somebody's lies got caught. Yeah, somebody tried to make a fool of them here. Something really halted because they felt that somebody was trying to make a fool out of them. But I think person B caught out on the lies that was spoken. Somebody was not being truthful and was trying to fool them. And they shut the chapter down on them, plain and simple. Am I right, Spirit? What happened in the recent past? Yes. I think this person B has now taken back control of their own life. They have shut that tap that was always open to offer, undying, unconditional love, be the empress, and this person has gone into self-love mode. They've put a lid on that cup of love to say, I'm not giving any more love. I'm bored with the situation basically now. I don't want those little offers that you send me, which actually amount to nothing. All I get is lies from you. You always end up making a fool of me. I'm putting an end to this connection, or I'm not working towards it. I'm becoming strong in my own life now. I want to be the emperor of my own life, take back charge, take back control, and maybe work towards building something else or new connections for myself. So how does person B see person A now, or this connection? The moon in reverse. So yes, certain things have come out in the open. Whatever was hidden in the dark, see? The sun, because this is the Empress, Scorpio, person B is the Empress and intuitive, being the Queen of Cups. Whatever was hidden in the dark, they kind of illuminated it. They shone a light on that moon, and whatever was hidden in the dark, in the moonlight's energy, came to light with their light, their inner light. They figured it out. They couldn't get fooled this time. And that's the reason they've made a decision now that this commitment is not the one for me. One more, Spirit. What came out? What secret came out with the sunshine? Yes, person B is now realized their worth. They've realized that I'm going to allow this tower to fall this time. I am successful. I am brilliant. I am beautiful. I can do whatever I want. I don't need to be in a commitment which is always going to keep me fooled. Something has really kind of sparked something in this feminine here after some secrets were revealed here. Whatever person A was doing to fool them, I think has come to light. Hierophant in reverse, Spirit. Hierophant in reverse. How do they see this connection now? Some message, some news, some information, somebody told them something, or something came out about the fact that maybe person A was still just the same as they were before. Nothing has changed. And that's the reason I think person B is saying, no, I'm not interested in having a commitment or a recommitment back with you. You've done it once. I'm not going to let you do this to me again. Fool me once, fool me twice, my fault. Once was yours, second time is going to be mine. I'm not going to allow that. And because person B is standing up for themselves, and they've lost their trust basically here, so because they're standing up for themselves, making a correct decision for their own life, I think the universe is going to bless them with a lot of abundance. All right, so let's see, person A, will you be taking any action now? Person A definitely doesn't want this chapter to shut down. The world in reverse. So are they going to be doing anything, Spirit, to keep this open? They do want to, they still have a lot of passion for person B, but I think they may be a little confused, maybe thinking that person B has a lot of options now. Will they want my attention anymore? The passion is still alive, but there's also a lot of confusion. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? Back being stressed, back being not having good sleep, because now they don't know what to do. Confusion. Because their secrets are out now, so all they can do is stress and worry. Okay, so person B, will you be taking any action towards person A? No. Three of Pentacles in reverse. I don't want to work with them anymore. Omkara Tarot. That's what person B is saying. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Will the person... No, they're holding back. They're saying, I don't want to work with this person again now. I'm going to hold back from them. I am now, whatever abundance the universe is sending me, I'm going to hold on to my pentacles tight and move towards my own stability and my own security. So that's what I'm getting for you here, Scorpio. Hope it worked for you. Somebody is coming out of a place where they felt maybe stuck in for a very long time. Maybe the universe helped them by illuminating whatever was hidden. All right. So see you next time. See you on Saturday for your Love Bite. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.